Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming both phones are charged and online. This avoids mid-transfer failures. Open Google Authenticator on your old phone and choose Transfer Accounts, select Export. Once done, you'll be prompted to authenticate and pick which codes to export. Make sure to install Google Authenticator on the new phone first, because you'll scan a QR code immediately. This step moves the secret keys, not screenshots, ensuring your two-step codes move securely. And now, on the new phone, open Authenticator and select Import Accounts. Ready the camera for scanning. From the old phone, show the QR code and hold phone steady. Once the new phone reads the code, it imports the secret keys. After scanning, verify each imported account by generating a current code on the new device and using it to sign into one account. Once verified, make sure no accounts are missing before removing keys from the old phone. This prevents lockouts. Finish by removing accounts from the old phone only after you've confirmed the new device produces working codes. This prevents accidental lockout. Once confirmed, save each service's backup codes and update recovery options, because those help if you lose the phone. If the QR scan fails, use the manual key entry option or sign in to the account provider and use their two-step reset flow to add the code manually. Troubleshooting tip: keep backup codes in a secure place. They are the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.